Okay, welcome back. Today we're discussing about this is my first lecture on PHP. Uh, Today we're discussing about what is mean by PHP and then what is use, how we can use this PHP, and what are the advantage of using PHP, the basic things regarding PHP. We are starting from basic to then we'll shift it toward the Laravel environment where we learn about all things about how we can develop a project in Laravel. So basically we are starting from PHP basic to advanced level, then Laravel environment, how to work it. So we'll start now. Basically PHP is a hypertext pre-processing. It is widely used open source general purpose scripting language that is suitable to develop a web page that can be embedded into HTML. PHP is the best option to replace ASP with ASP.NET that Microsoft has. So we are using PHP because it is widely used, freely available, and efficient alternatives such as ASP.NET, as I told you. Okay, before you continue this course, you know about some basic concept like you know about what is mean by HTML. Okay, the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you don't know, then please visit my YouTube channel. In that I have already explained about HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So you can find the list. You can find the channel playlist for that also. I'm taking this reference from W3 school as all the developer are taking reference from W3 school. So we'll go now. Okay. We are discussing about PHP 8. Then first thing is what is PHP file? PHP file that have extension .php that we call PHP file. Okay, it include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. As I already told you that it will be execute on server side. It is a very important topic that PHP will execute only on server side because and it return the result to the browser as a plain HTML. So it is very important to do this course. We require some softwares like you know about XAMPP software, then some editor like Sublime text editor or Bracket. If you have a Bracket or Sublime is a somewhat paid software. I'm using this two editors, so you download it and use it. Okay, PHP do that. PHP can do means what it is used to create a dynamic web page content. PHP can create, open, read, write, delete, close file on the server. Okay, then next PHP can collect data, PHP can receive cookies, PHP can add, delete, modify data. Okay, then PHP can also use to control user access. PHP can encrypt data. Why PHP? PHP, as already told you, that PHP is a open source environment that is freely available code. We have to not paid anything. Okay, and it can be run on various platform like Windows, Linux, Macs OS, OS X. So it is compatible with all platforms, and it is server-side scripting language. Therefore, it is available to run all server like Apache, IIS, Amazon Cloud. So all whatever the servers we have right now, it can run on all servers. It support all range of data like MySQL data like cloud database. Okay, so it will be accessible to all data. It is freely available. We can download resource from php.net. So it is very easy. PHP is the basic advantage of PHP is that PHP is very easy to learn and efficiently do a server side. What are the new features that are included in PHP? Recently, we are using PHP 8 as PHP 8 recent version of PHP 8. So I will just show you that how this PHP 8 having language update. Then it contain many features like optimization including name argument, union type, attribute, constructor, property, promotion, match expression, null, safe operator, JID. We'll discuss in more detail. These are the some features of PHP. Why you are using PHP 8? It support all type of error handling, like improve it. PHP 8 has improve uh, their error handling. Then it also use operator like spaceship, that is a new operator. Use this operator we'll discuss in detail. So basically I'm just showing you a basic program to do the things like we are using a PHP, then how the codes and the editor works in PHP, and how we can run the code. Just I will just showing you. Just listen carefully. Just see carefully. Basically, PHP code embedded in between your CSS file, your HTML file. So just like that, I'm doing first simple program using HTML. Okay, I'm using HTML code here. So HTML, then I'm using head, then slash head. In head, we're having a title. So it is opening bracket, then title close. Just giving an example title, it will be we are giving title, for example, welcome, welcome. Okay. Next, we're having a body. Just close head. Then we start body of HTML. Okay, I'm just writing some code of PHP here, so you just understand. A PHP code will start from hash PHP, and then question mark, then close. In between, you have to write a PHP code. So it is very important to know that a PHP will do. We use to print a message on a browser screen, that we use echo here. Just echo, and the message is my YouTube channel. Okay, this will run this code. Firstly, for we save this code. Remember one thing: to save this course, we have to use extension PHP dot PHP, and I'm saving this in std docs. Like I'm creating new folder here, like welcome, welcome. Okay, and giving name intro dot dot php, intro dot php. Save it. So this editor will look like this. It will showing me all this uh, that we call tags in highlight form. So it is very important to know which tag we are using here. So we are using a Sublime text editor too for that purpose. Save this. For running this course, we have to just activate your XAMPP. So just make sure that your services for uh, XAMPP is start. I just show you how it will work. Then this we call Apache server. You have to start first Apache, and then start MySQL. Okay, this two services we require. Just minimize it and just open localhost slash welcome. Okay, in that we have intro.php. So this is the echo message that this we call echo message here. As this is this our PHP code is running here, and the output is showing that welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is very simple. We'll meet in next lecture. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please share this uh, YouTube this video to your colleagues if it is important or if it is giving you information. Okay, thank you.